Yo, Mr. Jiraiya, what should I do?
You're the child of the prophecy and you will finally reach your goal.
It's just the 5th episode, how can he reach his goal already?
Naruto, I know. You trained very hard for your goal, but nobody wants to watch more than 700 episodes just for that.
Bruh, bruh.
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから。
Oh my god, is this really happening? I can't believe I'm gonna reach my goal now. Wait, what's gonna happen to my anime then? Never mind. I'm so close.
そこの家じゃ。
Bruh.
What happened? I just felt a huge impact on the time boop continuum.
Time boop continuum?
胸を揉ませてやる。
Do you need some ramen? I need to go back to my universe. Only 106 can help me to recover from this. There she is. Tsunade. Oh wait, Erosunin, it's the... I can't believe it. I just lost my ramen today. I mean, I can make a new one, but still. All the memories. It's never gonna be the same. Oh wait, today's the big Naruto announcement, nattabayo! Welcome everybody and thank you for coming to the big Naruto announcement today. There's some exciting news that we finally gonna share with you. The big Naruto announcement, we're bringing the 106 back to Boruto. Oh, those were just my personal notes, very sorry about that. Sasuke is getting his own arc, Sasuke Retsuden! Huh? I don't think he will recover from this one, understandable. I'm still traumatized because of those fake boobs.
Denji, if you want to, you can grab mine, and they are not fake.
Can I please also grab them? I'm also very traumatized.
I'm sorry, this is only for the guys with the name Denji.
Well, actually, my name is Denji Raya.
Denji Raya.
I'm also the author of the book, The Tale of Denji Uzumaki.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, how could I forget about that?
Can you give me an autograph?
Denji Raya.
Of course. Everything for the child of the prophecy.
I'm the child of the prophecy, that way.